Since I am a Democrat, I want to join colleagues in thanking the President because Mr. Speaker, the President had said that at 75 you are really retired. But since at 78 he is still able and to deliver a State of Nation address, we need to thank him. My colleague, the Honorable Isa Gawa, thanked him for not sleeping, for hard work. She forgot that the President has sacrificed his entire family. The wife is a Minister for Education. The son is a senior presidential advisor. The son-in-law, Mr. Odrik Rwawogo, is senior presidential advisor on export. His brother, General Salim Saleh, is a senior presidential advisor. Some children, directors. Really, we can't thank this family enough. This kind of sacrifice, Mr. Speaker, our President is the only one who is doing this on the continent. You appoint your wife a minister, your brother a presidential advisor, your son a presidential advisor, your son...
Point of order.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I have been here in this parliament for now 2 years. I have followed the Honorable Ssemujju debate. I have followed him when he brings a point of order or procedure, and I've been listening carefully. Now, my observation is that whenever he comes up to speak, when you look around, you'll find some of our colleagues who are, because you know we take our lunch and then come here, and some of us are maybe sleepy, and that's a time, that is the time when he stands up to speak. Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, my observation now is that everyone is alert. Is Honorable Ssemujju in order to bring his energizer at a time when everyone is alert? I thank you.
No. Kindly proceed and conclude. But the clarification I want to make, I chair this house, and I never see members of parliament sleeping in this house. So I don't want it to remain on record that members go eat, come sleep in parliament. No, no, no. That's a very, very wrong message. Please, Honorable.
I agree with you, Right Honorable Speaker, but it was just a simple medical observation. I thank you.
Please, colleagues, I just want to inform you, colleagues, anything that can put the image of this house into disrepute will not be tolerated here. Yeah, so that is totally wrong to say members go eat and come here at sleep in the house. So please, Honorable colleague, withdraw that statement.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I withdraw.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So, Honorable Ssemujju.
Mr. Speaker,
conclude, Honorable.
I beg, since I am a whip and I'm being interrupted by an MP who said he wants to sleep. Mr. Speaker, I need to be helped whether nepotism has changed the meaning. That you can have the entire family so special that special presidential advisors are picked there. Ministers of Education who can't attend Parliament and can send their juniors to attend every now and then are picked from that family. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Ssemujju, you know, there is a language we agreed to use here. Okay? Honorable Peter, please. Honorable Peter, kindly take your seat. Right, Honorable Prime Minister, we've been handling this issue before. So I know, that's why I'm saying Honorable Peter should sit. We said here that the ministers we approve are ministers of state and cabinet ministers. So let us use the language that is standard for, to avoid, you know, reactions. Yeah.
Mr. Speaker, I am sorry, the Minister of State.
You see, please, you people, excuse me. Excuse me. Everyone in this house, whether you're Prime Minister, whether you're who, you're under the authority of the Speaker. I don't want to be disturbed when I'm in my seat here. Right, Honorable Prime Minister, I need peace. Okay? Please. Your members are the ones interrupting a member. And what you forget is simple. When you interrupt a member and he switches on again, he gets a fresh time. Because me as a presiding officer, I go with the microphone getting automatically off. I don't have a timer here. The timer is automatic. So when you interrupt a member and he resumes, he gets free time. So it's tell your members not to interrupt a member. He finishes. I'm not giving him any more time. It's your members. So I don't want your statements of you people you want to bring down our government. No, 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 no. Please, please. I want peace. I want peace here, okay? Yeah. Anyone here, please. Anyone, if you're not satisfied, please. Honorable Ssemujju.
Mr. Speaker, I need to be helped to understand whether nepotism has changed the definition. That you can staff your government with family members and then you walk to Parliament of Uganda representing all constituencies and you still want to speak as a head of state. What is it that is so special with this family? That everybody in the family, either a presidential advisor, a minister, a commander in the military.
Point of order.
Mr. Speaker, sir, first of all, with due respect to Honorable Ssemujju Nganda, he's 12 years in Parliament. I am 12 years in Parliament. I would like to ask and seek clarification as he raised a point of order. Whether there is any provisions of the laws of Uganda which bar His Excellency the President from appointing anybody to work in his government. Number two, Mr. Speaker, is talking about the family. Mr. Speaker, when the President and General Salim Saleh picked up guns to fight for the liberation of this country, Mr. Speaker, I'm raising a point of order. When General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and the senior presidential advisor on defense picked up guns to go and fight to liberate this country, where was the question of nepotism at that specific time? General Kainerugaba, Honorable Ssemujju is talking about, is a serving soldier who joined willingly. He joined the forces willingly. Is Honorable Ssemujju Nganda in order to continue insinuating, demeaning the personality of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni in this Parliament? Is in order, Mr. Speaker?